Hey team, welcome back. Today we are reading passage K, the ocean, from the third text in the Simple Comprehension series. The ocean groaned. It did not like the earth moving beneath it. As the crack in the ocean floor appeared, the ocean moved away. The ocean became a great wave that rose up into the sky and barreled across the Pacific. It would not stop until it hit land. At 3 o'clock in the morning, the only ones to notice were the satellites high in the sky, blinking and beeping, relaying what they noticed to a weather station far, far away. Questions. What was the crack in the ocean floor the result of? Suggest a synonym for great wave. Who noticed the events in the story? What did the satellites do? Now let's check the answers. What was the crack in the ocean floor the result of? It was the result of an earthquake. We know this because it says it did not like the earth moving beneath it, and that's followed by a crack in the ocean floor appearing, suggesting an earthquake. Suggest a synonym for great wave in the text. Well, we could say tsunami, or perhaps tidal wave. Who noticed the events in the story? It was satellites that noticed. It says the only ones to notice were the satellites high in the sky in the last sentence. What did the satellites do? Well, the satellites relayed what they noticed to a weather station. It says so here in the final sentence. Thank you for your time.